Yes, now we are continuing human excretory organs, second part. In that, 8 types of excretory organs are there. So, very first important one is kidney, next lungs, next skin, liver, intestine, endocrine glands, salivary glands, and lacrimal glands. All these glands remove wastages from our body. If they remain in our body, they are very dangerous for our health. So they must be removed. For that, there is a special system in our body, that is human excretory system. So very first, kidneys, they remove nitrogenous wastes, urea and other harmful things from our body. Next, lungs. Lungs remove carbon dioxide and H2O. Skin. Skin removes sweat, metabolic wastes, sebum, hydrocarbons, sterols and fatty acids. These are also very dangerous. If they remain in our body, they are very harmful. So skin plays vital role in elimination of all these 6 types of wastages from our body. So next part is liver. Liver removing many wastages from our body. First one, bilirubin, biliverdin pigments present in the liver. They are removed. Next, cholesterol, excess hormones, vitamins removed from our body. And alkaline salts and urochrome of hemoglobin as dead cells removed from our body. So these are not at all suggested to remain in our body. So these are all removed from our body by the liver. Liver also one of the excretory organs. Okay, now intestine. Intestine removes so many wastages from our body. One is excess salts, more than required. If salts are there, they are removed. Next, undigested food in the form of fecus removed, and some iron and fecus, what I said. These are all removed by intestine. Endocrine glands. These endocrine glands remove excess water from our body, especially excess water logged in forehead, feet and palms are removed by endocrine glands. Salivary glands. Salivary glands remove nitrogenous wastes from our body. And lacrimal glands present in our eyes, they remove tears. In that tear also some salts removed. Now the excretory system in human beings. And the human excretory system contains the main parts. One is a pair of kidneys and ureters, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. These 4 are the important parts in human excretory system. If we observe a pair of kidneys, they are bean shaped. In the picture you can see very clearly reddish. And next ureters, the 2 tubes coming downwards, and urinary bladder, that oval shape, and it has one opening, that is called a urethra. Dear children, look at the screen. This is the excretory system of human being. And in human being, there are a pair of kidneys are present. They are in bean shaped, reddish brown in color, and they are present in the abdominal cavity attached to dorsal body wall, and one on either side of backbone. మన బ్యాక్ బోన్కి ఇరుపక్కల ఒక్కొక్క కిడ్నీ అటాచ్ అయి ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. ద రైట్ కిడ్నీ ఈజ్ ప్లేస్డ్ స్లైట్లీ లోవర్ దాన్ ద లెఫ్ట్. అంటే రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నటువంటి కిడ్నీ కొంచెం కిందికి ఉంటుంది, లెఫ్ట్ది కొంచెం పైకి ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ద సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద కిడ్నీ ఈజ్ 10 centimeters in length. Size is 10 centimeters. and breadth is 5 to 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters in thickness. And each kidney is convex on outer side. Outer side is convex అంటే ఉబ్బుగా ఉంటుంది. And so the inner part of the kidney is concave. అంటే లోపల సైడ్ కాన్కేవ్గా ఉంటుంది, అంటే లోతుగా ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. And next this kidney, after the kidney see there one blue color, one red color structures are there, long cylindrical. The red color one is called, that is renal artery. The renal artery brings oxygenated blood to kidneys. అంటే కిడ్నీస్కి ఆక్సిజనేటెడ్ బ్లడ్ను తీసుకొస్తుంది అనమాట. అండ్ వన్ ఈస్ ద బ్లూ కలర్ ఈస్ దేర్ నో, దట్ ఈస్ రీనల్ వెయిన్. అంటే అది కిడ్నీలో ఉన్నటువంటి డిఆక్సిజనేటెడ్ బ్లడ్ని మళ్ళీ లంగ్స్కి తీసుకెళ్తుంది అనమాట. సో లైక్ దిస్ టూ టైప్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ ద పిక్చర్ వెరీ క్లియర్లీ, యూ కెన్ సీ two thin tubes coming downwards from each kidney. They are called ureters. Left ureter and right ureters are there. And in kidneys, what the filtered urine is there, that is passing through these thin tubes, those are ureters, into the urinary bladder. These two thin tubes opening into one urinary bladder, the pink color is there, no? Into that urine is taken into that, and from the urinary bladder urine is expelled outside through one more structure, that is called urethra. So this is the structure of excretory system. Observe carefully where are the two ureters are there and where is the urinary bladder and urethra. Once observe clearly. Now the internal structure of kidney. Children, if we observe the LS of kidney, it looks like this. And the internal structure of this kidney, see your left side, that is dark colored outer zone is called cortex and pale inner zone called medulla. Two names are there. Left side you can see cortex, medulla. Cortex is, it is thick color, dark colored, and medulla is the pale in color. And each kidney is made up of approximately 1.3 to 1.8 million small microscopic nephrons. Nephrons also called uriniferous tubules. See, you can see to your right side, that is the functional unit for kidney, that is called a nephron. So like this 1.3 to 1.5 millions of nephrons are there. With these all nephrons only the kidney is made up of. So you can see that to your right side. And also observe the LS of kidney, left side. Observe what are the parts are there. And that cortex, medulla, renal artery, renal vein. I told before, no, renal artery, oxygenated blood carrying, renal vein, deoxygenated blood carrying, and ureter. So ureter also is there downwards, you see yellow color. Where does it open? It opens into the urinary bladder, no? Okay. Now structure of nephron. Structure of nephron, this is. Observe from your left side, top wall, left side top wall, Malpighian body. So this is the first part of the nephron. And second part of the nephron is, except that in a Malpighian body is nothing but the cup-like structure. That is first part of nephron. And second part is remaining part, the tubular portion. Everything, no, the yellow color, violet color, that it all tubes called renal tubule. Like this, main two parts are there in a nephron. Now, Malpighian body. This Malpighian body has two parts. One is Bowman's capsule, another is glomerulus. These two become Malpighian body. And the first part of Bowman's capsule, it is like a cup-like shape. See, the round cup-like shape is there, no? That is Bowman's capsule. Inside the Bowman's capsule, we can see number of blood capillaries as a network. That is called glomerulus. This glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, both called Malpighian body. Okay? Now, observe the second part of the nephron. What is the second part of nephron? Renal tubule. Okay, that renal tubule you can observe to your right side in the diagram. See, this renal tubule has three parts. First one is, what is the first one? PCT. See the top in the right. Proximal convoluted tubule. That is the first part of renal tubule. And next, DCT. See there, DCT. Distal convoluted tubule. And third one is collecting duct. So the last cylindrical, straight cylindrical is there, no? That is the collecting duct. So like this, three parts are there in renal tubule. Now PCT. Where is the PCT starting? Tubule. Soon after the glomerulus. See, soon after the Malpighian tubule, next part is PCT. Proximal convoluted tubule. And it is moving downwards. And second part is there, DCT. Distal convoluted tubule. See, observe carefully. In between PCT and DCT, one U-shaped yellow structure is there, no? So that is called Henle's loop. It is called Henle's loop. It is like a hairpin. Girls use hairpin, no? So it is like that. That is called Henle's loop. It is located between PCT and DCT. Now, the DCT opens into collecting duct or collecting tube. The long straight cylindrical is there, no? That is collecting duct. And this collecting duct forms pyramids and calyces. We studied about pyramids and calyces, no? So these present in the kidney, ALS. So into that, this collecting tubule opens. And this pelvis leads into the ureter. Dear children, the mechanism of urine formation takes place in 4 stages. First one, glomerulus filtration. Second one, tubular reabsorption. Third one is tubular secretion. Fourth one, concentration of urine. By these 4 ways, the filtration occurs in the kidneys. So let us know all these in detailed. First one, glomerulus filtration. Filtration that occurs within the glomerulus is called glomerulus filtration. Observe the cup-like structure, that is glomerulus. In that filtration occurs. That is the first stage of glomerulus filtration. This filtrated one is called primary urine, as another name. So it is equal to the blood in composition. ఓన్లీ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ మాత్రమే ఉండేవి, కానీ ఇది బ్లడ్ లాగానే ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఫిల్ట్రేట్ అయి ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. ది సెకండ్ స్టేజ్ ఇన్ యూరిన్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఈజ్ ట్యూబులర్ రీఅబ్జార్ప్షన్. సో ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ గ్లోమరస్ ఫిల్ట్రేషన్ primary urine is formed, no? So in that primary urine some useful substances are there. These are reabsorbed in the tubular reabsorption. PCT absorb all the useful components of primary urine, such as glucose, amino acids, vitamins C especially, potassium, calcium, sodium, chlorides, and 75% of water. These are all absorbed in the tubular reabsorption. Children, in urine formation, the last stage is formation of urine. ఇది చివరి స్టేజ్ అన్నమాట. ఈ చివరి స్టేజ్లో ఫిల్ట్రేషన్ ఏమవుతుందంటే 75% ఆఫ్ వాటర్ కంటెంట్ అబ్జార్బ్డ్ బై ప్రాక్సిమల్ కన్వల్యూటెడ్ ట్యూబ్యూల్, అంటే పీసీటీ 75% వాటర్ను యూరిన్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటుంది. ఓన్లీ 10% ఆఫ్ వాటర్నే అది ఎల్లిస్ లూపు ద్వారా పాస్ అయ్యి యూరిన్గా బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అన్నమాట. అండ్ ఇంకేమవుతుంది, దట్ కలెక్టింగ్ ట్యూబ్యూల్ ఇస్ దేర్, ద లాస్ట్ సిలిండర్ స్ట్రైట్ వన్. ఇన్ దట్ యూరిన్ కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్, యూరిన్ చాలా కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్గా అయిపోతుంది, పవర్ఫుల్ అయిపోతుంది అన్నమాట. అండ్ వన్ హార్మోన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సెక్రెటెడ్ ఎట్ దిస్ టైమ్, దో సో దట్ ఈస్ వాసోప్రెసిన్. దట్ హార్మోన్, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, that hormones concentrates the urine, and if this vasopressin is not secreted, the urine is not concentrated. As a dilute state only the urine is secreted from the body. Deficiency of vasopressin causes excessive repeated dilute urination. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ డయాబెటీస్ ఇన్సిపిడస్. అంటే వాసోప్రెసిన్ సిక్రీట్ కాని వాళ్ళలో, తక్కువ సిక్రీట్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళ లోపల ఏమవుతుంది, డైల్యూట్ యూరిన్, వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువగా యూరిన్ పాస్కు పోతూ ఉంటారు, ఎప్పటికీ యూరిన్కి వెళ్తూ ఉంటారు వాళ్ళు. సో ఆ కండిషన్ ఏమంటాం, డయాబెటీస్ ఇన్సిపిడస్. దట్ ఈస్ వన్ డిజీజ్. దట్ మీన్స్ concentration of urine takes place only in presence of vasopressin. Dear friends, it's all about the excretory system, internal structure of kidney, and also the structure of a nephron. So I think you all understood well. So to continue the watching of such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hitting the bell icon, and also like, share and comment.